И он получает наждак. Я как раз наждак закончился.
Это отвечаю, бля, был.
Пустяк.
Да купим, заедем. Мы заедем и купим.
Will the defendant please stand? Is there anything you wish to say on this matter before sentencing, Busy Bones?
No, man.
Well, the court sentences you to death by electric chair.
We had to get him up with 2 guns, but it's side by side with number 1. Man, I won't drop my cage on when I'm up chasing against me, and then I'm done. Ripping the 6-shot pump, so spilling, gotta let him let off. Cop it up that they had me cuffed to the lazy blues. Get up, the bullets they start to get lit up. Number 1, Mr. Duggan, but I done already booked and we split up. Bust the left on the double block, but if you roll up a rock, says this perfect get away from them pigs, but I'm peeling and hit the fences. Ripping up the trenching, I'm bailing while they trailing, better than hailing in the ceiling. Ain't no telling where them gotta be dwelling. One is spotted, man, pick up a piece and shot it, man. But the fact is what I preach, the see that the slugs up in his body. Got it. Run with smoke coming from the barrel of me gun, hit the beat. Oh, with a dum-dum, I got yum-yum down the dead end. They sit in and they let in. They wanna make up in the coffin house from everywhere was yelling and wailing. I went unconscious from the stomping, taking the loss and waking up in that coffin. And when I was stalling, till I was tossed to be arraigned and down and looking in the eyes of a judge. He had already picked that judge straight to the sub with no parole. In the hole, but I won't bust me to death row. Watching the time I fly past, but never be sitting mindless, never smiling, some silence, hoping I die fast. But chill, sleeper, gotta get away with that on the reaper. Somehow I must beat ya, so peep out the creeper, the reaper.
Better on the mission, flipping the script, better check with the wind, just blue wind. Better think again, that's a picture with a grin on the mission for a bit. With it back, till little nigga ring, and then the clip, better pump those slugs, and then them cops that he made, them drop clock went pop, pop, going out like a hood on the double clock back from hell. And ready to build, trying to hit the trail, cause they wanted my nigga fried. Holding the Bible when I got a grenade on the inside the squad. Get ready for the run when I heard no mumbles, pulling me gauge and laughter. Keep bucking them faster, all I was thinking when I seen them busters. Gotta better watch out for them bump shots, cause them can't pay me gauge. Gotta bust some souls in the grave, so I'm bucking them straight to the pay. Can't be safe, I'm bucking little rest of reinforcements coming in faster. Blast, give a nigga that was easy to mac 10, letting it gun, blast on their ass. Gotta rip in them chests, through vests, smack 10s, sold up eruptions, got plenty ammunition, no missing, listen, destruction, I'm busting, cause I'm making that get away, about to get away. Niggas got to escape, and it's never too late when you ever try to break, nigga just can't touch the both way. We still here running, ducking, coming up to the front, they barricaded, and I put a grenade, toss to the door, let it explode, made it, creeping through the courtyard, so crazy, feeling safe, they coming, hitting the fence and jumping, they quick, crazy, taking that bullets on me.
Well, it seems as if them boys are busy and a little lazy. Got themselves into another jam. See the boys get themselves out of this.
Cities that went in the smoke, roll up a fast like a dude. The beginning of the rage, and the gauge can't let go. Then I live on my niggas psychotic, bitches is God. Him sitting on death row, scooping up the double, beeping the scene. So when my niggas trail, screaming out one and he's stepping in bail. Gonna give a nigga rip off the cell, it's all over now. I'm a nigga number 1 disguised as the preacher. Won't be willing to Bible mission, folks survival, niggas are preacher. Take men that made us, somebody that put it on now a song. About it bounce, wait up the tick, and let them know which way was on. We got go, but them always was pulling up good, nigga was on. We wasn't first when they get that fish, niggas get cut the fuck up. Was steady bucking, steady ducking, bucking while I was jumping. Oh, we was thinking this don't get caught, nigga like me, get the gun running, gun and funnin' with thugs. Got to get to the smudge, turn around and we pump slugs, put them in the mud, and all across my face is a red that laying in blood. Out in the hoop, made nigga flip with the swoop, belly back on with my troops. I'm running with focus, these niggas just not with they niggas, they just get to shoot them, I'm rolling. No more than a half a mile, we get stopped. Cops around, bound, we look like since we say fuck all these roadblocks, bustin' in you. Then with the vision reverse, and they get the switch, then I push the button. That point came off the truck and put it in drive to the sort of way walking back in the other direction. But walking quick to meet up, niggas glanced at each other, open up their doors and they kick their feet up. I jumped out of the car, and it's up over the hood, cause I'm in the strip of the woods. But niggas, they follow behind me. We got away smooth, but nigga make good. Came up quick to the hideout, waited till midnight till we ride out. And it cost so we could drive out while we waited, we all got tried out. If you's a thuggish, rugged thug, nigga scream out. Took one of my niggas off the phone, now we got one more to go.